Wednesday, and on your hump day, we have a few showers. It's been another cool day, and it's coolest up north where we're looking now. That Grand Forks area, we do have some clouds poofing up in the sky. They're bringing some brief heavy rain and also some lightning, mainly to northwest portions of Minnesota and northeast North Dakota right now. There are a few drifting close to the Grand Forks area. We'll have everything timed out for you, though, as we take a look. They've zipped through Roseau County. They've exited or are exiting right now southern Lake of the Woods County. So they're heading in towards Red Lakes County, making their way right now through the Grigla area and heading in toward Thief River Falls. And as we go farther to the west, we see a diminish in the intensity and not as much lightning, so just some garden variety showers passing through the northwest quadrant of North Dakota. Down to the south, just hit and miss activity, so we'll get you into where things are a little bit more active. Now, we do see some dark reds on the returns from the radar, which means more raindrops or maybe bigger raindrops that are developing in those towering clouds just off to the east and northeast of the Grand Forks area. Passing out of Warren and down the Highway 75 corridor is one. These are moving in a southeasterly direction, though. So these here will be pushing towards St. Hilaire. And this one here is going to be riding right over Thief River Falls here in moments. Now, this first line shows where it will be in the next 15 minutes and then 30 minutes on the way out towards that Hazel area, 45 minutes and so forth. So you can expect that storm to work its way into Thief River Falls before the end of this broadcast or in the next 6 minutes or so. There could be some lightning as a new strike was just detected here. By the way, the blue ones are positive strikes. So those are usually associated with a little bit more intense thunder shower activity. These showers and storms, northwest winds, kind of reinforcing that cooler air up north. Look at this. We have low to mid 60s for some up north of the border, 64 Hallock, 73 Grand Forks, and we're in the mid 70s here for most of our southern counties. Out towards Bismarck, it's closer to 80 degrees. And look at the heat. The heat is on in Texas. 100-degree weather here. The 90s have surged all the way up into the Denver, Colorado area. And we even have some 100-degree readings here in the pink circles. Well, that's out in the west out there. So we do have some heat that's going to be building back into the region as we go through. But right now, out at Hector, the temperature is 76, 73 at Moorheads Airport. Wind west-northwesterly, 21 miles per hour. Dew points are dry in the 40s. So a lot of the clouds that form over Fargo are going to be way high off the ground. As a result of that, not many raindrops will make their way down to the ground here in the south. The best chance will be in northwest Minnesota through the evening and northern portions of the valley. As we head towards sunset, they become more few and far between. Hit and miss showers overnight. We'll drop through the 60s into the 50s. Remember, dew points are in the 40s. A few of you will dip down into the 40s as we go through the overnight hours. We start the day with some clouds in the areas that's seen the showers today. Now, as we go through the day tomorrow, more of the same, just a little bit more hit and miss in the variety of the precipitation. Temperatures still 60s and low to mid 70s. Another cool day, but the last one before big time heat returns, and it begins on your Friday. 53 when you rise and shine in Fargo. Again, crack the windows, give the AC a break. We'll have mid 70s in the afternoon. We'll see clouds, northwest winds, kind of a carbon copy performance. Cool 60s in Minnesota, low to mid 70s elsewhere. Beautiful shot here by Tom. Thanks again for the sunrise there in the Lake Traverse area. 79 and sunny on Friday. Saturday, hot, near 90. We could have a couple of strong thunderstorms. It does not look too organized. Same thing goes for Sunday. Maybe more widespread activity into Minnesota. And the heat continues into next week. Look at that. Woo! 91 next Wednesday. We could see some 90s this weekend too around the area.
Bringing them back.
Yes.
All right. Thanks, Hutch.
Yeah.
The mega